We're going to show you how easy it is to put together the Magicycle e-bike. It came packaged really well. This is a fat tire foldable e-bike, and my husband put it together really easily. And I'm just going to show you, it's just a few steps. You put the handlebars together, lock them in place. It's pretty simple. Then you're going to slide the stem down into the steering wheel too. The front wheel comes with a mount that you take off, and there's an insert that goes inside of the axle. You have to unscrew the ends on that and put that in your front wheel with enough space that the forks will clamp onto the axle. Just put it in place and then clamp it down as such. Make sure it's good and tight. You don't want the wheel falling off when you go over a bump. One thing that we were really impressed with this bike is how well it comes assembled. There's very few steps, and all the nuts and bolts that are already assembled come really tightened. Next, you're going to want to put on the fender. Just screw it right in place. Once the fender is in place, just do a quick alignment. And on the front of the fender, you'll see there's a place to mount the really awesome headlight that came with this bike. It's a really bright headlight. My husband was really impressed with the welding on this bike. I'll try to show a close-up in a minute. But he said this type of welding is really hard to do, and he felt like they did a fantastic job. So then he put the pedals on. He said they were easy to put on, but just make sure you tighten them really well. The Magicycle will come with all the tools you need to put the bike together. And it also has very clear instructions, which my husband, honestly, he didn't even look hard enough for the instructions. He just was so excited. He just started putting the bike together. But when you look in the instructions, there's like 5 steps to put this bike together. I think almost anyone could do it. But yeah, my husband felt like this Jaguarundi Magicycle had a really good solid aluminum frame and really good aluminum welds. That's mostly put together now. You just have to put the seat in the seat post, and this seat adjusts really high. So it will work for a rider that's over 6 feet and a rider under 5 feet. So it works for anyone in our family. So you can see him right there showing you how tall the seat comes up, and then you can clamp it down whatever level you want to ride it at. Next, Gary's going to show you how you fold up this bike. You just put the handlebars down. There's a lever you lift up that unlocks the bike, showing you that lever right there. It's just really quick and easy to fold it and unfold it and get it in and out of a car. I'm going to have another video showing you how I can get it in and out of my car, because I wanted to show you how, I'm a middle-aged woman. I can pick this thing up. I can get it in my car and haul it around for myself. So here's Gary putting it back together. And then he's going to take a second and start mounting the headlight onto the front. I should also tell you, we have this really cute basket Magicycle sells, and when you put that on your bike, the headlight goes right onto the front of that basket. And that basket is just adorable. It looks great on the bike. It's perfect for carrying like a little cooler or your lunch or some drinks. But we've had this bike out quite a bit now, and I have a lot of footage I'm going to show you of how it is to ride it, how it is to get in and out of a car. We're having so much fun. We've already taken it to the beach for a beach trip, and I can't wait to show you that. But it's a fantastic bike for the price. So like and subscribe so you can get more of our content coming out.